Okay, guys, we're about to take an adventure. We're about to take an adventure.
We're walking in the Bronx.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah, brilliant idea.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're by my side, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is what we're doing, guys. We're just gonna walk through here, and the dog's barking. And we're gonna take in the local natives. And this guy's riding his bike while we're walking. Yeah. So anyway, welcome to the Philippines, guys, and this is how we're doing it, man. This is what I call kicking it with the natives. That's what we're calling it right now. The natives. And I think it's a beautiful thing. I'm gonna be doing a lot of this. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, so this is what we're doing. Just walking along, man. Yes, sir. And I got the Master Sergeant's rear, and he's got my front. That's how we do it. It's called a staggered formation. Yeah. Beep, beep. I'm just gonna vlog this here so we can. It's interesting, he rides the bike and we walk.
Yeah.
I'm just taking it all in.
And we're paying him to ride the bike.
Hey, I'm like you said, I'm being like water, so I'm just taking it, I'm going with the flow.
I'm just
Going
saying.
with the flow, man. That's what I'm doing.
I'm just saying. One of the roughest neighborhoods there is.
Hey, but me and you's together, man.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
And we just having a break.
We just have, yeah.
White folks with us. Just keeping it real.
Just keeping it real, man. Oh, that's so funny. You make me laugh, brother. You make me laugh so hard. Oh, Jesus.
Oh,
You got jokes all the time, man.
man, bro, I'm telling you.
But then there's truth in laughter.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're all in the side streets. Look, they got dark alleys for you and stuff.
I think it was Rambo 3, wasn't it?
I know, right?
They hired him to go in and be with the natives.
Yeah.
And he kept warning them.
He said, no, you don't want to do that. So we're just on here. This is actually good, though, man. Me and you were together.
Yeah.
So we're just taking it all in.
We don't have a washer and dryer. We're just gonna sweat.
Right. No, but what's funny, what I was trying to say to you is when he pulled into this neighborhood,
Yeah.
the energy got real, like her face and her face.
Yes.
Watch the poop, brother. They got scared.
And then she got
They became, yeah.
We're right here.
Well, she knew we were. She knew we were.
kill us.
Nah, she knew we were behind.
Yeah, but she should have had her ass inside.
I know. But if she's by herself, she wouldn't have done that. You know?
Yeah, I'm not playing it.
Yeah. Wow, we're down with the local natives for real. This is real boots on the ground, brother.
Yep.
So welcome to Boots on the Ground with Travel OG and Master Sergeant Velez.
Puss. I'm gonna try it.
So we try to survive this mission if you should choose to take it, which we were volunteer for the mission.
Yes.
And we didn't really want to take it, so anyway, I'm glad you can do humor out of
Do
it.
the same walk just by watching the YouTube video.
Yeah, you won't have to feel the danger pumping in these ladies' veins. Yeah.
Exactly.
Có mask dyan.